Opportunities, creating pipelines. Here we'll guide you through building a sales or service pipeline to track your opportunities through stages. You'll learn how to create a new pipeline, define custom stages, and use the pipeline to monitor progress and conversion rates. A well-structured pipeline gives you clarity on where every opportunity stands. In your Tegrity Connect account, go to the Opportunities menu on the left, then click on Pipelines. This will open the pipeline management area. If it's your first time, you might see a default pipeline or an empty screen prompting you to create one. Click the Create Pipeline button. A dialog will ask for a pipeline name. Choose something descriptive like Sales Pipeline or Onboarding Pipeline, depending on what process you're tracking. You can have multiple pipelines for different processes, for example, one for new sales, one for client onboarding, etc. Note, pipeline names must be unique. If you use a name that already exists, the system will prompt you to pick another. Once the pipeline is created, you'll define its stages, the columns or steps an opportunity moves through. Common sales stages might be new lead, contact made, proposal sent, won, lost, but you can customize as needed. Click Add Stage to create a stage, enter a stage name, and save. Continue adding stages for every key step in your process. You can typically drag and drop stages to reorder them left to right in the desired progression. Keep in mind, Tegrity Connect automatically includes won and lost as final stages in every pipeline, so you don't need to create those. They'll be there for when a deal is closed or lost. Some pipeline systems allow setting probabilities or funnel assignments for stages. In Tegrity Connect, after adding stages, you might have options like choosing which stages count as won or lost, or toggling whether a stage should show on certain dashboards. For example, you might see funnel or pie chart icons next to stages. You can click those to include or exclude that stage from high-level dashboard charts. By default, all stages except lost may show as part of your funnel metrics, but you can adjust visibility if needed for reporting clarity. With stages set, you can now start adding opportunities to your pipeline. There are a few ways. Manually create an opportunity where you link a contact to a stage with a deal value, or convert from a contact or action. For example, perhaps when you mark a lead as qualified, you add them to pipeline. For practice, add one opportunity. Choose a contact. Assign them to the first stage of the pipeline, give it a name and a monetary value if applicable. Save it, and you'll see a card appear in that pipeline stage. As you engage with opportunities, update their stage by dragging the card from one column to the next on the pipeline board. This visual movement updates their status. Continue this as the deal progresses. The pipeline view gives a quick overview of how many deals are in each stage and their values, helping you measure conversion rates. Tegrity Connect may also show totals at the top of each column or a funnel chart summarizing stage counts if enabled. Use these to gauge performance. For instance, if 50 leads entered the pipeline and 5 became won, that's a 10% close rate. When an opportunity is successfully closed, customer purchased, or if it falls through, move the card to won or lost stage accordingly. Marking as won helps you keep tally of revenue or success rate. Marking lost is equally important for learning and keeping the pipeline clean. Later, you can filter or generate a report of all won versus lost opportunities. The system may automatically tally the total value of won deals, giving you a revenue figure, a key metric for many businesses. Tegrity Connect can display reports or dashboard widgets for pipeline performance. Ensure your pipeline is set to show on the dashboard if you want quick stats. Once on, you could see charts like a funnel graph of stages or pie chart of win rates on your main dashboard. This personalized dashboard view gives real-time insight into how your deals are flowing through the pipeline and where they might be getting stuck. Use it to identify bottlenecks. Your first pipeline design doesn't have to be final. You can edit stage names, remove stages if you find your process needs a tweak. Just note that removing a stage might require reassigning any deals currently there. Over time, align the pipeline with your actual process for best results. A well-maintained pipeline is a powerful tool. At any moment, you can glance and know how many prospects you have, what value of deals are about to close, and where to focus your efforts next.